Okay, so when you arrive at Husky, you're going to drive down the road from the main road at the top. You go past the actual apartment block, and just past there's this little lay-by. There's 4 parking spaces, so just take whichever is available at the time. There's never usually any problem parking here particularly. And we don't go down here, we go to the next one. The building is A. You see the entrance just here. So it's building A, number 143. And you just come down here and you'll have received the code for the door, which you just pop in here and enter the building.
Hi, right, we're at the entrance of Husky now. You'd have been given the key code to get in through the door. There's a little light switch here and there's one over there which you'll need because it'd be dark in here if it's at night time. And we're up on the 1st floor. Okay, yeah, literally just around the corner here. And to the left, this is the apartment owned by a lovely chap called Kelvin Janes, number 10. Key box here, you'll be given the code and straight in. There you are. Go on in, Jake. Right, we're now at Apartment Husky. Husky is in Saint Gervais. It's just as you're leaving Saint Gervais heading towards the Les Contamines ski area, but it literally is just not long after, 30 seconds after the swimming pool and the sports centre there. Great location, maybe 7 or 8 minutes walk into town. There is a little path that leads you down as well by the bridge there. Maybe you could walk it in to the Bettex lift, maybe in 12 or 13 minutes, although you can get the bus as well. So come in, I'm first going to direct you awkwardly to the loo, but in the loo there's a little washing machine there and a sink. And then if you step forward a little bit further, I'm going to direct you into the double bedroom. It's just a standard double bed, but it's cute, it's lovely. This is a small apartment. It's okay though, lovely, really, really good. It's on a good quality and actually a good price as well for what you're getting. So in here is the bunk bedroom, so great for mum and dad and 2 kids. That's what it's ideally set up. And then come on through into the living area and kitchen, Jake. Here you've got kitchen area, you've got microwave oven, 2-ring hob, fully fitted oven here. Here you've got a fridge and a little freezer, some lovely units here, sink, and then look, a little dishwasher as well. So it's actually got everything. Come on through. Table for 4, and there's a double sofa bed in there if you need extra sleeping as well. There is actually a decent sized balcony here that actually wraps around the whole of the outside of this apartment. It's dark outside, so I'm not going to show you. We'll do that for another video. All right? This gets the thumbs up me. Really good quality for the price you're getting.
Okay, moving out to the balcony at Husky. Beautiful views over the mountain. And this is a real sun trap in the afternoons. There's additional shading here as well. If you get a little bit too hot, but yeah, it really is a wonderful sun trap after a day's skiing or a day in the summer in the mountains.
Right, so this apartment, you've got a little ski locker just down here to pop your skis. It's only small, but perfectly fine for 3 or 4 pairs of skis. Interestingly, the keys turn towards the lock for this one. Open it up, and there's just room for a couple of sets of skis. I think the owner's got a bit of pieces in there, but perfectly fine. If you struggle for space, then you can always pop them on the balcony.